Welcome guys, welcome back to Tracy channel. Today I want to cook you a nice flavorful meatless stew peas. So here we have already our peas, red peas. It is cooked already. If you are going to use fresh dried peas, you need to soak it overnight or for about 8 hours, and you put it to cook for about an hour to an hour and a half, or until it's tender. You can flavor your peas by adding 2 bouillons, as I did, 2 seasoned bouillons. And how you know when your peas is done is you squeeze it and it squeezes right through. It's soft all the way. If it's not soft right through, you need to cook your peas more. And for your stew peas, your peas need to cook a little more than if you was cooking rice and peas, because the thickness from when your peas is overcooked, it thickens your stew a little more. So you want your peas to overcook a little for your stew pea. So here we have about 3 cups of peas, 2 cups of water with 1 cup of coconut milk. Starting off with the ingredients for my meatless stew peas pot, I have here about a cup of finely diced sweet potato. This about some this is some fresh thyme, about 3 teaspoons. This is about 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. Over here I have about 1/4 cup of sweet pepper or bell pepper. This is two sprig of chives or spring onion. It's crushed to release the flavor. Here I have about half of chopped onion. This is 1 cup of finely diced, not too fine, but yeah, some diced pumpkin, and about 3/4 cup of diced carrot. I have 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. That's to boost up the flavor more, give you a more coconut flavor. And I have 4 chopped garlic here with 1 teaspoon of crushed allspice and 8 cloves. So we are going to season our pot. We are going to start off by adding 1 seasoned bouillon. We're going to add our pumpkin, our carrot. We are going to have our ginger, our sweet pepper and thyme. Not sweet potato and thyme. And here now we are putting the sweet pepper, the chives, spring onions, and the onions. So we are going to give our pot a stir. I'm going to add about half a cup water more. Did I told you how much water I have? For this, with the peas, I had 2 cup water and 1 cup coconut milk, and I'm going to add about half a cup of water more. So actually I add an extra cup of water. I'm going to continue with my season. That's my allspice, my cloves, my garlic. You don't need to throw them in the pot in order because everything is going in the pot same time. We're going to leave this come to a boil, and then we add our spinners. For our spinners, as we would call it, worm dumpling, whatever you call it, we need 1 cup of whole wheat flour and a little bit of salt, or you don't have to add any salt because the flavor from the stew peas, the spinners is going to absorb it. Our pot is boiling and we are going to add our spinners. See, just some small little wormy looking dumpling like that. You can make them a little thicker, you can make them thin like this. So we are going to add our tablespoon of coconut oil, and last but not least, our pepper. So your stove should be on medium low, and you want to stir your pot regular to avoid any sticking of the stew at the bottom of the pot. Look at this, look how rich this soup looks, and it don't finish yet. Look at this, and it smells so nice. The flavor of the coconut is on point. The blended of the herbs, whew, I give that a thumbs up. And the taste, oh my goodness, it has a light, creamy, sweet taste. I think the sweetness come from the sweet potato and the carrot, just a light taste. All the combination of the flavor, wow. So guys, this is the final result of my meatless stew peas. Wow, it's so thick and creamy. Look at this, thick and creamy. All your dumplings. Yeah, so guys, tell me, drop a comment below and tell me what would you have with this delicious looking stew peas. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like. Bye. Mm-mm-mm.